what is the ruling on mahrams and non-mahrams? Shaking hands, hugging, etc. and who are your mahram and non-mahram, particularly these examples. Okay, subhanallah, it's very simple. Go to Quran, my brothers and sisters, mashallah. Since you are putting these questions, go to Quran, and the mahram is mentioned in Surah An-Nisa chapter 4. And all those verses 11, 12, 13, 14, all those, there are specific verses in the Quran where the list of the women are mentioned. List of women are mentioned who are, you know, your mahram, which means you cannot marry them, like mother, your daughters, your granddaughters, your mother's sisters. All those fall into that mother's relationship. They all are your mahram, and you can't marry them.